Hello, in this video we show several ways of dropping variables of datasets in R. So we go to RStudio. So for example, we create a data frame called grade, and the data frame has 20 observations of 10 variables. And say we want to drop math and physics, these two variables. So first we show the data frame, grade, the student, last name, first name, gender, and math, physics, chemistry, and so on. Then we can use names, grade in C math physics. So this is we'll get the true or false, and we save this result in this object. Then we can use grade bracket not this object, because this is true or false, and if the name of the variable in math and physics will get true, but we use this exclamation symbol, so this is not true, so which means not math and physics of this grade variable. Then we can show this new data object, several observations. So now it's only chemistry, no math, no physics left. And a second way, it's quite easy. We can use grade bracket and inside with a C, then -7, -8, because 7 and 8 are at index position of grade of math and physics variable in the data frame. So we use a minus, means exclude these two variables and save the result to the new one. We can show it is correct, no math, no physics now. And the third method is also very simple. We can just create a new data frame, same as grade. Then we can use symbol as null, assign the value null to these two variables. We can also write a true statement, for example, new grade physics is null and new grade math is null. Because null means drop. So we show the result quite clear, no math, no physics now.